Have you ever stood in front of the mirror and thought something just feels off? Maybe your hair used to feel full of life, but now it seems flatter, thinner, or like it just doesn't reflect you anymore. Or maybe you've gone to the salon asking for something fresh and new, only to walk out feeling older instead of revitalized. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Welcome to Ebony Lifestyle. As we age, our hair changes. It can become finer, lose volume, or start resisting the styles that once came easily. And while aging is a privilege, looking and feeling vibrant is something we all deserve, because the right haircut can do more than frame your face. It can take years off your appearance, give you a boost of confidence, and most importantly, help you reconnect with the woman you see in the mirror. Today, I'm walking you through 5 haircuts that are proven to make you look and feel younger after 50. But let's be clear, this isn't about chasing youth. It's about embracing a refreshed, confident, and empowered version of yourself. Before we dive in, smash that like button, subscribe to Ebony Lifestyle, and drop a comment telling me which haircut you're most excited to try. Let's get into it. Just because you've reached a certain age doesn't mean you have to settle. You don't have to cut your hair super short unless you want to. You don't have to dye your hair dark just to stay youthful. And you definitely don't have to stick with the same haircut you've had for 20 years. Instead, we're focusing on haircuts that highlight your natural beauty, draw attention to your best features, and work with your hair's texture, not against it. Haircut number 1. Soft layered bob. Let's start with one of the most timeless, easy to wear, and universally flattering haircuts for women over 50, the soft layered bob. This style is both classic and modern, low maintenance, yet full of impact. And here's the best part. It can instantly make you look younger with minimal effort. Why does this haircut work so well? First, it adds volume and natural movement. As we age, our hair tends to become thinner and lose body. A heavy, blunt bob can make this even more obvious, weighing down your features. But when you introduce soft, subtle layers, it brings back that essential bounce and fullness, making your hair appear more alive and vibrant. Second, it visually lifts the face. Strategically placed layers around the cheekbones and jawline act like a mini facelift. They draw the eye upward, lifting your features and enhancing your bone structure. If you've noticed some softening around the jawline, a bob that hits just below the chin can truly reshape your face. Third, it's low effort, but high reward. Whether you wear it sleek, tousled, or with gentle waves, this cut is incredibly easy to style. Tips to make it work for you. Apply volumizing mousse at the roots for extra lift. Add side-swept bangs to soften forehead lines. If your hair is fine, keep the layers subtle to avoid losing volume. Enhance the look with soft highlights to create dimension and brightness. Who's it best for? Almost everyone. If you have a round face, longer layers help elongate. Oval faces can go slightly shorter. For square or angular faces, feathered layers soften the angles. This cut truly adapts to you. Drop a comment if you're loving the soft layered bob idea. Haircut number 2, the side banged pixie. Now let's talk about a bold yet elegant choice. The pixie cut with side bangs. You might be thinking, short hair is not for me, but hear me out. This isn't just a haircut, it's a statement. And when done right, it's unbelievably flattering. Here's why this style is a game changer. It creates instant lift and structure. A well-cut pixie naturally draws attention to the eyes and cheekbones while defining the jawline. The side-swept bangs keep it soft, feminine, and youthful, not harsh or severe. It makes thin hair look fuller. By removing excess weight and strategically layering at the crown, this cut gives the illusion of thicker, denser hair. It's a lifesaver for fine or thinning hair. It's effortlessly modern. The pixie is sharp, stylish, and contemporary. It works especially well with natural gray, giving off a chic, confident vibe that says, "I own my style." You'll love this look if you have an oval, heart-shaped, or longer face. Want a wash and go style that still looks polished. Struggle with thin hair and want more volume on top. Pro styling tips. Use texturizing spray to enhance lift at the crown. Sweep bangs gently across the forehead to soften lines. Try subtle highlights for added depth and movement. If you're loving this content, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Haircut number 3. Shoulder length shag. If you're craving a hairstyle that feels youthful without trying too hard, something fun, full of movement, and effortlessly cool, then look no further than the shoulder length shag. This cut has made a strong comeback in recent years as a fresh, modern take on one of the most flattering, low-maintenance styles out there. And it's ideal for women over 50 who want to embrace their natural beauty. Why this cut works beautifully. First, it instantly adds texture, movement, and volume. The strategic layers throughout the hair add shape and movement. The result? A natural bounce that gives your hair a fuller, airier look. Even if your hair is naturally limp or fine, the shag breathes new life into it. Second, it softens and lifts the face. The layers can be tailored to highlight your best features. Face framing pieces help lift the cheekbones, slim the jawline, and soften the look of sagging skin or fine lines. Instead of pulling your face down, the shag draws the eye upward. Third, it's low maintenance in the best possible way. This cut doesn't require perfect blowouts or daily curling. In fact, the more natural and slightly tousled it looks, the better. You can wash, air dry, and go. Who should try it? Women who have fine or thinning hair and want to add texture and fullness, prefer a low-effort routine but still want to look stylish. Love a more relaxed, undone vibe. Have oval, long, or heart-shaped faces. Styling tips. Use texturizing spray or sea salt spray to enhance natural layers. Ask your stylist for soft blended layers. Consider adding wispy curtain bangs to soften the forehead. Embrace your natural texture, whether that's straight with a flip, light waves, or soft curls. Tell me in the comments. Are you ready for a shag? Haircut number 4. Chin length, blunt cut with soft layers. If you love a look that's polished, elegant, and always feels put together, then the chin length blunt cut with soft layers might be your dream style. This haircut is the perfect blend of precision and softness. It's modern, timeless, and incredibly flattering for mature women who want a hairstyle that looks structured yet approachable. Why it works. First, it naturally highlights and defines the jawline. By cutting the hair to fall exactly at or just below the chin, you're drawing attention to your jaw and neckline. The blunt edge acts as a subtle visual frame, giving your lower face more definition. It creates the illusion of lift and youth. Second, it makes fine or thinning hair appear fuller. Because the ends are cut evenly across, they appear thicker, denser, and more solid. You're eliminating the wispy, uneven tips that can make aging hair look fragile. Third, it's modern, minimal, and stylish without the fuss. You can wear it sleek and straight for a sophisticated look, or add a slight wave for a more casual vibe. Tucking one side behind the ear adds a modern edge. Who this works best for? Square or heart-shaped faces. Women who wear glasses. Prefer minimalist styling. Want a no-fail look that always works. Pro tips. Use light smoothing serum for that sleek, polished finish. Blow dry with a round brush, directing the ends inward for that youthful face-framing curve. Tuck one side behind your ear for a modern touch. For fine hair, add volume at the crown. Smash that like button if you're feeling this elegant style. Haircut number 5. Long layers with curtain bangs. Let's talk about a style that holds a special place in many women's hearts. Long hair. And if you still love the idea of keeping your length but want to add shape, dimension, and softness, then long layers paired with curtain bangs might be your perfect match. Let's get one thing clear. There's a myth that once you reach a certain age, you have to chop your hair short to look appropriate. That idea is completely outdated. It's not about age. It's about balance, movement, and shape. Why this style works. First, long layers add shape, bounce, and softness. Instead of pulling your face downward or creating a heavy curtain of hair, the layers bring your hair to life. They add movement and dimension without sacrificing length. These flowing layers frame your face beautifully, especially when cut strategically around the cheekbones and jawline. Second, curtain bangs are the ultimate face framing magic. They part gently in the middle or slightly off-center, fall softly around your face, and help soften the forehead area while drawing attention to your eyes and highlighting the cheekbones. Unlike blunt bangs, curtain bangs grow out beautifully and don't require constant salon visits. Third, it's versatile, low maintenance, and totally timeless. Whether you prefer to wear your hair straight, wavy, or lightly curled, long layers with curtain bangs will always look polished, but never stiff. Who this is perfect for? Women with medium to thick hair. Love your length and don't want to sacrifice femininity. Prefer a soft, romantic look. Want styling flexibility. Ready for a subtle but noticeable change. Pro tips. Use volumizing mousse to add body at the crown. When styling curtain bangs, use a round brush to blow dry them gently away from your face. If your hair is fine, avoid overlayering. Embrace your natural texture. So, there you have it. 5 haircuts proven to make you look and feel younger after 50. The soft, layered bob for timeless elegance. The side-banged pixie for bold sophistication. The shoulder-length shag for effortless cool. The chin-length blunt cut for polished minimalism. And long layers with curtain bangs for romantic femininity. Remember, the right haircut isn't about following trends or fighting your age. It's about choosing a style that makes you feel confident, beautiful, and authentically you. If this video helped you, show me love. Hit that like button, subscribe to Ebony Lifestyle, turn on those notifications, and drop a comment telling me which of these 5 haircuts you're trying first. Thank you for being here. Thank you for investing in yourself. You deserve to look as vibrant and beautiful as you feel. Until next time, keep embracing your beauty, keep celebrating your journey, and keep reminding the world that women over 50 are stunning, confident, and absolutely radiant. Stay beautiful, stay confident, and stay true to your magnificent self. I'll see you in the next video.